I bet you didn't know that the black cobra can spit venom up to 8 feet. Let's explore more about this fascinating creature. The black cobra, also known as Naja melanoleuca, is one of nature's most intriguing reptiles. These snakes are found in Africa, and they're famous for their jet-black scales and dramatic hood flare. What's truly wild, they can spit venom with pinpoint accuracy, aiming for the eyes of threats. But don't worry, they usually target small animals rather than humans. Black cobras are also excellent swimmers and climbers, making them versatile hunters in their habitat. Remember, these snakes play a vital role in the ecosystem by controlling rodent populations. So next time you think of snakes, give a nod to the incredible black cobra.